Hello, I am going to show you how to install an operating system via VirtualBox. First of all, you want to click New. After you've clicked New, you will want to identify the name, what you want. I am just going to call it Test. I am going to be working with a Linux distribution, which is not on here. So I will go to Other Linux, 64-bit. After I'll click Next. The recommended memory size, so this is how much RAM you want it to have. I am going to select 512, which is recommended. I will want to create a virtual hard disk. I want it to be a VirtualBox disk image. I want it to be dynamically allocated. After this, I will want to make how big the hard drive is. I am going to select 23.28 gigabytes. And I'm going to call this hard drive Linux. After I have done this, I will right click, settings, go to storage, add CD/DVD driver. So after that, I will go to my downloads, find which distribution I am going to use, which I am going to be installing Kali Linux. I'll open it. I will press OK. After, I can start the system. This will start up the light. This will give you the option to obviously pick a live install, or you can pick to install it to the hard drive that you just made. So if I click install, this will be installing it to the drive I selected. So I am going to press enter for English, United Kingdom for my keyboard, British English. Then it is just going to retrieve a load of things it needs to actually install. It should reach 100% very soon. After we've installed this, we will also test the operating system to see what it actually functions it has, and if it does the functions well. This is configuring the network, what I have on my laptop to the actual operating system. So now it's going to ask me for a host name. I'm just going to put Kali. Don't need domain name because I do not have one. Root password is just going to be Tor, which is root backwards. Same again, I'm just going to enter that password. Now it's getting the time from a network time server. So basically it's setting up the clock. This won't take too long. So about the actual OS while it's setting up stuff. The operating system is a white hat hacker distribution of Linux, which enables you to do penetration testing on websites and such. And it is a very handy tool to have. And basically you can test for SQL vulnerabilities and much more. You can even do network stressing, which is like DDoSing, so you can take people's internet down. Although I do not anticipate on using this operating system for that.
Did you really have to talk about hacking in your college coursework? The one time you get the mic, you talk about hacking.
I'm going to select guided entire disk. I'm going to select the partition, all files, finish partitioning, click yes. Now it is just going to install. Just going to install the system to the operating system. I am going to join you once it's done. Now you have successfully got to 100%. You may get a network mirror, which I am going to use, well, was going to use until I clicked off of it. I want to use the network mirror, yes. Click continue. Scanning scanning the mirror. And it is configuring the APT out. Come back after it's done this. It is now installing the Grub bootloader. After it's done this, I will be back again. The system has now installed. I am going to press continue. It's obviously going to remove the live packages because in this install you could run the operating system live, or you could install it to the hard drive, which I did. The system is now booting. After the system has booted up, I will end this video now.